Chamunyina, Mamunyina, Aquabasron, Codemo Barras Media so, and Anumre, Yatrasibium, and also Yatrasiani, Atras were ye yomupa, and if you have a day, Amahaya, yesre, Asaya, de Ayawa. It's a message so bar, no, I share. I don't say, I don't man so. I for instance, see, offended the like bottom no so, said the Beya, Bia, Ebeko ye, the Ama Yenina. Koya ni mabusu ya na nsem ahodo miensa na maso asem de ba fi hanom na menemo abedi ho nkobo. One, the base. You can say the base ya say the munyina amate no, you see a new political party bia yet no Ghana man a according to sources no. You see Kennedy Japan and a tire chire and encrophobinom to say Mr. Otibonsunom edisika edi achiro mo no mo finance na no metese ase aja ko so ate asikrom o campaign o so afiri MPP o ye the base ni ene onam kumasi dwam ye kire about the base ye be kasa e de afa base ho ye firi won so ana ye kɔ ye nwia panyini osofo ba ko pɛ Tetteh Lawrence Tetteh se fene Lawrence Tetteh papa no nsɛm bi no mo kan ne when Nanado was in power, and in summer and oka concerning LGBTQ plus. If you also are near cost Sam George and so Sam George so a net or barbontain or barber yet trickish be. Efa and some amount for a can say Omra Bontain, no make key comments on what Mahama said. Say, Satrumusem no any Ghana for ye here some Cassia per day akuma so neno. A man for demand this is Sam George Mra now omeyi na one because before can say Mahama will have no peace if he decide not to sign the bill. And the man for so make us our babontain abechera dro be kan nsem ye be buy mu na adwedwem na ye de nsem eto ho e de akyerew na we mu no mum soro na ye de nsem bi no mo bra wo say tiemiye pa. Whatever is happening in your country today, minor team no adebia nkoso yie. Yewura Mahama na mamuo na obu no. Eni kwanso man ye wonwa because odikan ka kire Ghana fo ono de oba obeye. John edikan ka kire Ghana fo nyina de ono oba abeyo. Enti wo a wante ase wo kasakoam. Na wudi akire koto nkwase aba no ne ade na hyewa ehyewa atra ho ma ne hyehyew because wa na hope because oka ye ekasi ni pi se oba be wi abebokro no oka ye na wante because abre no na sabi ahokyere bi aba wo wiase amansan mu nyina ntino na wotan na na dodan kwa Akufo-Addo sabre no na wotan yewura Dr. Bawumia sabre no na wodwene se na na dodan kwa Akufo-Addo timo odanti na wo ho kyerɛw enti for that reason ntino ensema na Mahama eka no none of the people was listening to the real meaning ensema na papa ne ka no na amamfo nhyeda ntrase ntie ente ase na all is about yento abamfantia MPP because and this if what to me didn't throw the achire microphone man awuro omotim adwene say yes you been trans no one can some fan adwene and dwene decide whom to vote for na baba yentokwa. But whatever Sami Jamfi, Sam George, Okuja Tabrakwa, and all the other propagandists, Ombekambiano, that were the main informations. And the ane kosu wo mainum. A teacher for na yafo na juma ye pia wonka. Nurse for na yafo na juma ye pia wonka. School so na yesi. One district, one factory, na ye manner to create job. Aye. Sabio agenda 111 ananka di nyuma beba ma nurse fo anya adwuma ye constantly. Sa ne mani nyina sa abre no mu no na ye nte ase because ye se kom de yam. In fact, they be me who say, dear parent and cry for 1 hour 10 cry you man kase gafo that be me yene tribe me yene residential dear parent and cry for and as a cape kosufo ekoto abatumi de ma do Mahama obi ohwe mo nim etimi ka kire mo say ye pe mako enchenam ne dokono dia osi koden temiyo Ewra daraga timi na nteko mo nan so. I'm talking about gafo or more tinknai. When I want to Cape Coast Infante 4, anyone I want to Cape Coast Infante Sass so. Ewra Mahama timi hwe mo nimu ka kire mo say. Ye mo de dokono ne nchenam ena mo padi enye nkoso ne nim nkanko ena mo hwe. Enso ye koto aba no. Mutumi kata mo ni koto aba de majo Mahama. And it is very sad. So uti ufie, uti ukrom, uti wahembo buano. Na enipa dasani tumi sore nante ne nan so ba ufie bedi watem. Ebe kandi opede kire wo. Na oso no sabio bivinti utumi accept se ye ni watem. Na utumi san koto aba ededa nipa na se. Se waba ukrom abedi watem se wo hia nkoso na wo hia nchenam ene dokono. Na ukoto aba edima nipa na mane wene na obetena akonwa so sa oso pe aduane na adi oba aye no wakosisa emo edi free India ene China abegu oman at a cheaper price kodibi na kawa no tum because that is what he promised you o kan kire o de oba abeyo de amawo wo a woten kran wo a woten Cape Kusumai mu ne Mfantemai mu Ewra Mahama mfansiu kan kire o so oba ono de enchenam ne dokono na wo se fata me maame nana akua afro papa bi mu akwa pa sanso na Emmanuel Adey ho so be mu akwa papa no eka nanum asem ye ere kire eye na ye asodren na ya mpene nsem na o kanantie na ye ntie na asopam ena de yen abesi babia yaduru. I'm telling you today and mark it on the wall. Unless you decided not to think or you decided not to listen to what Mahama told people in the campaign time. Asembia papa ne ka ye no. Na eye kre se o dwana num o tintro o ka biagum o kansemfo kwa. But still we say no, we are going to vote for him because Mahama is the hope. He is the hope. He is the hope. And I didn't so ekoto by the man. And a papa buy ye, me about ma. Dear Ben, and ekoso. How are the things going? Near man ekose. Near man say ni sikro. Say na usihu near man. Remember, Mahama di kan kire Ghana ni bia say ye yena you the free. I say Ghanaians no, we are short memory association. Sa sabna papa ne kan ye no. Say ye man fufuro bi so a nka they would have force him to apologize to the citizens because eya temudie kese pa. So the papa ne nim se momo ya refrefo enti odin trone de kire okra na within a shorter possible time you are going to what? Forget about it. Obokro no kura poti said den bit say Airbus scandal. There say onkoto lupre mra okoto baaye no na lupre no na taban ba ko ne bo edene esene alupre ni nyina. Enso yesi ewure free. the Northern Region Accelerated Development Fund, SADA, Ekosi saying, Ghana for a see with a free confirm not to call, NTNC member in a swire day, Atuko. Bass Brandon, 3 million Ghana cities. Yedi Husika, and also Ghana for a see a day, he would free only on Fanco. Eastern Corridor Road. Yedi she budget team and fear Marco 9, Afibiana, you Chasika, Edema Eastern Corridor Road. Here, course, here, Quacoheno, na ye car quana bako cra. Ghana Cocoa Rose, and this for the DCK Cocoa board, ya bako cra. Sagrami project 270 million. A dino a danto and a goon. But all these things, it to me catch there, you say you're really free. You're really free. So we are going to vote for John Mahama to come back. And Odiaba. And Nipa is so bebano. What he can't say. We Jimmy for. So better say, now what gonna say, oh no. With 4 years, Oba, no abesi son, oh my and the amount. Or see, it is never possible. I say, this man told us everything. Obie na no catch that will say, this is we Jimmy Fuans and what to me ajia to mu say. Obibe to me the 4 years pe, me or say Anthony, Mwakwaba. As a son, Ghana mine edi amawa sa ni pano. We Jimmy Fuans and what to me ajia DBNT sadi. So what was the sources of him coming for 4 years? But Ghana for see ante. Yes, ante. Tiasemo kaiti.
So be ebe show bokese se afene fa obesesa Ghana kaje nipa no so oboa ebi se enye no kre yekohwe amanone yehwe US Europe UK sa enkrona edru bebi omedru no okohwe omo abakosem mu a they are about 300-400 years old. Almost on your family, almost for more and no mudru baby or mudruno. Development is a process. Ye end this before ye tiasesa. Enti aba ye nsheboa ye ntimi ndiso. Ye ka se ye bema musio, ye bema mudwafofro, ye bema mo kwan, ye betwe kane amamo.
Yes, but your audio no pa. South audio no ye. South Asma Papa Ikaye. Or say, don't ever allow anybody to tell you, say, in 4 years, he will change your country for you. But that the same man was campaigning to become a president for 4 years. And I trust in the edge too. And I got to a bam ham. Your man, even super majority in parliament. Say, family ne heart desire, dear nakoma pe a man. Okachire, you know. He stood up and told us, say, you can never do anything in 4 years. But still, we did not listen to the sense of what he wanted to tell us. And then, yen and I had to fire call home. And your man, Nina, a yen, a ye day, ye to fire call home. Abusia, ya say when Kwana Mahama can you. Or can you actually? He told us everything. Osan kan semfu furo bi say president betimi a promise say omokro no, but obvious to say sa president no nye ono na be dan ebebo kro no, but ni wianom no de omo ebebo kro no, osi ni wianom e no de omo bebo kro no tie
knows about this, and that's why he says, I'm too old to be corrupt. I'm not going to steal your money, because he knew his relatives would steal the money for him. And that's exactly what's happening. You know, he can go to a plush retirement because of Oyata and Gabi, and everybody will look after him. Bumpty and Co will look after him. President knows about.
Yes. Entity asuma president kan Ohio. Asemo ye yankase ye wura. John Dariga eka asemo no opposition. O say aban no ayefa ne Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo no ebetimi de ano akase ono no onye obi e proye ne kankan ewo ne side. Also betumi aka because Nanado nwianom ebebo kro no agu ho e madaachi bi okona homegie mu a ono Nanado no will live a life for eye so lost adentia ni nwianom abokro no e de agu ho e de ama no sabre we ye ka asemwe sabre yura Mahama ka asemwe de akire Nanado no Nanado emfa contract bi mfa ma ni nwia 1 Nanado emfa binding site bi emma ni nwia 2 sabre no mu no Nanado entna ase emma sabio ma enen site a company bi ye adwuma wo so be se 40 years yen kwaji frisa company ni nsam emfa nkoma new entrance emma ni ye but na John Mahama was saying say Nanado ne nebusiamfo ebo amai no krono that Nanado de nebusiamfo na ebo krono said the bay on Nanado ne din ma bonten but ene ura Mahama ti akonwam ene enyuma na Ibrahim Mahama ntumi nye enyuma na if you go by yen can say a requirement and answer by say we were available tools to do the job no Sanyuma na Ibrahim Mahama ntumi nye be say 1.5 months ago no ene papa no tumi ye mane eye mienu tumi jit mining site mienu bom at once etumi to private alupre at once bom e mane ye na se nipa ni bi no ma o kan asem ya eya na omosi ye oye Ghana ni adentia Ghana ni ba wanya o man no enso adwuma ya ye wo ya miwia Ibrahim Mahama adwuma o ye na nya me ye wo but I stand to be a man of principle de na nye wo nra no eni kwan se ye ne enra de na enye no ana eye even lower than sanema we no ana ye se enye no eni kwan se na ye ebiri de wo he se Jekuma Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ne baba ekoji restaurant wo airport se onu anuane wo ho aton na eni beye state capture then how do you want me to consider a fact say just within 1 year of John Mahama presidency ni Ibrahim Mahama atumi at the mining site mienu at once asia tumi enye sika kwakoto private jet at once eno no enye conflict of interest entwe waso nkosi de na papa yi kan ho yesi uti uwi yesi so wi kwakuoti a yesi se utrimu fita utrimu aboanwe something like that. Say utrimu say ye fita utrima aboa enkaw. Mr. Say what makes Mahama think at the first beginning say Nanado is stealing Ghana with his family members. This is because that is the way that he does. Because Bironya Kwamba ye even vice president impono. Ghana for kwakoto pren wo UK no. O mani na oye Ghanaian born child oye adopted by UK married family B. A company wo UK ebe ye intermediate edema Ghana in acquisition of the private of aeroplanes for the country. Enti ye ni sune ne ban Mahama ni sunu ne ba ne so obedi akonyo onya tumi a oni ni wianom e na operate to steal. Enti na oti abontene no, he was thinking say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo too has the same manner of operandums. Eti na osu no. Enu nti ana osu no na eye ne yase sabio Nana Addo betumi anya akwanya. Aye de ono John Darega pese onye na wontumi nye. Abusuafo and now Mahama better kunyamui. Within a shorter possible time. Look at how Ibrahim Mahama has raised to. Now, Ibrahim Mahama kofa John Mahama private jet. Now, odi to kwana ye catch the more. Musi da bi na when a woman I private jet and kaumfa. Massa temi ye. John Mahama so ko visit another country. Omo president here. And any personal trip and will take you. He is going on official duty. And a president, every official assignment obey piano, he say or mine to take care of that. I oblige say or mine and be taking in charge of all the cost involved for every official assignment of my penino ebe take on. And how come say a state called a Ghana country, state and Ghana and Kasa, intimate take care of his president. Now an individual or your brother and they take care of the president of the country. Abusia same way. Akura ye won enra o ka kire na on jinni. There is something behind. There is something behind. O ka na ferisofo su kwa she na foot se o kire be na wa me ne kusie. Na wa betra se ne ho tietia se di ball. Na o ka kire wo na Ghana de ye to patron kwa na de ma private jet. It is not possible. Either the president promised his brother of something, and as a private jet, Rankasani Mahama dear, care courtesy, Yam Kra now letter. Yana any address, no, we are not see slash O care courtesy of Ibrahim Mahama. Because Kwaya Papa na fast within shorter possible time, Otimikoto Alupre no, Asem no Mudri. But okay. Enkrofone bi no omonya kakra omotafre tiemi yo enkrofo bi omonya kakra bi omotafre no they don't want to reason energy me ene ye de omoye nkwase adwuma e de bo man no kro no ebini Sami Jamfi ebini Farisofu su kwaache ebini Sam George ebini Okuja Tabrakwa ebini Sam NDC communicators ya kakra bi omonya omotafre nti abusiankuo bi area o minor japade ne yendache. They are out there defending it because of kakra bi e de amamo a omotafre chimi temi yepa because of kakra bi e de amamo omotafre ntino they are now defending a thief, an armed robber, family omoye armed robbers since their father's time. No, mutimi bokro no de kopokro no wo generator ho. A Greek minister utimi via generator. Wo mu DNA. But no benyan kwase afo bi no kakra bia o mo tafri ntino. They are defending a family was say they want to collapse Ghana. And if anything will go on, ade bi ebekoso o man no mu bia no. I said the Mahama family must be involved. And yes, sir, enkoso into your economy. Your main economy has been shifted into mining. And Ibrahim Mahama, akusiano. Said the Bayer Quatron position, Kurana, we will still command or we will still govern the economy of the country. Dabina, Miriam Panini Kusibo Afoka Sembi. Say, NDC 4 year. Parasites. Omo parasite bia. Their manner of operandum ne say, omo they don't steal just on the contract of today. they still with some contract, even when they go in opposition, they are still going to what? They are still going to benefit from those contracts that they have already signed. It says power plant agreement. They were earning even when they were in opposition because that contract, it always going back into their coffers. That is the same thing that they are planning today. John Mahama said, "No more no, but Wasuma Ibrahim Mahama with favoritism. Emane Bokrono. Into 3 years, yedayanim. John Darigadra Mani Maha Niwia Ewo. Mining site me noa. Omubetu gold na for 3 years. Abanfu Frobibano to me Jifrin in Sama Waje. When to me and GM free in Sama, they will keep on and they will become more richer. Because how can you tell me, say, gold feather, what to gold war? Ghana Maimu and Fiabes 50 years in here. Or no, on ya who can do the to gold. Now, Mom Ibrahim Mahama, or no year Juma dema gold feather, no, or no mum ne one nearby, so the bay Juma. Mimia Badima, Obayansa Fuya Bunebe, Nayan Kanasem. The conflict of interest was John Mahama and Ibrahim Mahama acquisition of the mining site. Ye can't Montiasiano. Hey, yeah. Me, I'm not against Ghanaian men having a big business in the country. I prefer that. But there are a lot of mining companies in the country. There are a lot of mining companies in the country. But they decided to give it to Ibrahim Mahama. Abra Ghana focus, you know. Almost your more biat also be a measure to me to 5 days. 5 days to prepare your document, submit them, say they be a mining site be sure. Who can prepare those documents in just 5 days or 7 days? Nobody. And this is what a criminal organization or more turning or more into political party or more loot to the people in the society. Now, Ghana for Nayana ye pay. Papa no ba no catch them. I see ono there. It was a campaign now. It didn't talk a crack. Nah, tie. Tia small can ha. Yana yam panty tie.
You know, say it drew election timer. Na amanyo kubia epre. Enti ni obeke bia ama nipa akoma dani ama o eno na obeka. Enti entra now they film. No cry now the film. Yeah, the frefra. No cry no ho yanka. Na yeah the intro film.
Aha. Enti no cry no ho yanka nchrew. Na ye didn't throw no the film. And enti etimi promise you say ye be post teachers directory, nurses directory. Ye be create 24-hour economy. Adwuma baako enipa miensa na beye women's bank. Why? We gave you a lot of promises, but in a nay tro. Okay, yena yam panty. Or sitting in a nay the bay. Nay yen tro. Not ye candy a bit to me a money padasan ya could delight so a day. Atuaba. Ediamano. No. That is the only reason. There was no other reason behind. He knew that he cannot do them because nobody can catch to me fan and fear and nine. Hence, sour my money ye. Because UK 4, America 4, or more the best 20, more the best 200, 300, 400 years of democracy. Answer no muko do baby more true. But you sat down for the man to lie to you after he has told you, say it is something impossible to think about it. And also there who soon saw what you know. Mimia, Tinamuna soon. Tinamu. Tramuna soon I deserve so besu because why you who are bro? I was on Tramuna unsu. Tramuna soon. Utramuna unsu. But Baba also that. And you pay Kansema. You pay Kansema. Odi ayasem. Yes. For you to vote. Yes. Etina de wo hono no yenko yanim na yenko on different matters. Abusia today me sorry ya akwakote papa we osesenti.
Yo Ghana man adehyeman ye frɛ me Kofi Edu o frɛ me Jekwa Abrante aka Bidam be ma me ho frɛ na me di ne de anase ade mu duro sa pepepepepepepe na me ba mo nkyɛn wie ya enye bɔne kwan so sɛ de mo yi wɔdɔ kɛseɛ edema eku a animanim ya abɛda Ghana ekwatifi anafo apie ne atoye fam a yato ne din say the base Ghana first, the base Ghana first, the base Ghana first no eyeku a yede ba na enche kura betimi aba ba ye amanukuo atimi aba ba boa oman Ghana mrantie ne mabawa na awofo soso omobreso atimi atie free say mrantie ne mabawa ewo ntwetwede epe adwuma ye eye nokre.
Yes, I'm shouting here, pa. Yenti eja kobi.
Yo, Ghana man adehyeman. Ye frɛ me Kofi Edu, o frɛ me Jekwa Abrante aka Bidam. Be ma me ho frɛ na me di ne de anase ade mu duro sa pepepepepepepe. Na me ba mo nkyɛn wie ya enye bɔne kwan so. Sɛ de mo yi wɔdɔ kɛseɛ edema eku a animanim ya abɛda Ghana ekwatifi anafo apie ne atoye fam a yato ne din sɛ the base Ghana first, the base Ghana first, the base Ghana first no eyeku a yede ba na enche kura betimi aba ba ye amanukuo atimi aba ba boa oman Ghana mrantie ne mabawa na awofo soso omobreso atimi atie free say mrantie ne mabawa ewo ntwetwede epe adwuma ye eye nokre.
Yes, Miriam Richard, me makwa papa. Abusia, me de yeto promise ni wi na maye madwene se enka Kennedy Japan nsensem. And the supporters, I don't want to give them attention because as a big party like MPP, I don't give a damn about these guys. So now my treatment who say I don't want to talk about it anymore because I believe we said the TBI an internal election there. Said the TBI Obia benyane preference. Obia beka say we na me person medi or mine or medi party na nim. We beka say we na person medi party na nim. So yeah, it was right. So everybody has his preference. But it has come to a point or in a time I have to say something because the echo so on media no more. It is not right. Eura Kennedy Japan must wake up and try to save his image. Eura Ken, MPP no be jina kese Kennedy Japan. Ne so nem faso anase onye important figure. Ewa MPP party mu bia no sa nipa no di ne ho apro sa nipa no de nunu ne ho na osre. Kennedy Japan has played a very big role in the MPP party, and in life whilst you are growing you must go through different things before you can become who actually you want to become. So it is right say Kennedy Japan in some part of his life, in some previous part of his life, okay, can sembinom kondoto ne ho in some manner bia sabio or they say in the ding ewo kwambi so. Ana ye nyina so ye say he was doing those things. About 70% of those things he was doing them to save the face of the MPP. So everything that Kennedy did in the past, many of those things, na or your edia boa MPP amanyoko said they be able to keep power. Sansem na okeka ya no na so na ma ubeye nipa bia. People fair to say you cannot be a leader of the MPP party. You went for the first run very well. Unya 37%. All of us, we were impressed with the numbers here. Who carry here with the Bible thing. Since Kennedy Japan 37%, Kennedy allowed himself to surrounded by people omunim their directions, the omunim enisika. So among for shall say the otan kesiye eba MPP party num and I'm saying Kennedy Japan and you're 37%. I didn't tell Yaman Kwanko flag bearer, nearly Dr. Bomiako flag bearer. For me, statement to be a to say, an ignorant statement. One, because semeno akwa kotwaba na mi percentage ya minya ye edo so sene wo de no a madi nkunim. Moreover, manya more than 50%, and it's a madi nkunim abro so there is no challenge of who won and who should lead. I'm the one that I'm supposed to lead. But some of the bogus Kennedy Japan supporters believe we say, even though Kennedy Japan have 37, we were supposed to let him lead. Omo anti omo ho ase, and 2024, omo sande be peso. Omo be peso, and be ye nim gwase buruburu from 37 to 23%. Me yobari ma. Se osu doku. Na no kwese kuo no ntima wo ye enyuma bi de se wo image in the past. That's a really the na wo ye no na ye odoti trobi na wo so de be ma wo kuo and ntia na wo ye niema bi no ma. Then why are you refusing to accept regulations, internal laws of your party? This is a question that I'm throwing to Kennedy Japan and his supporters. Chelsea party no edo udo party no nti awoko amanfo no nti awoko na ye kwa akoto aba e de yi usu aba ene unipa foforo e wo party no na party no kire say you don't deserve to lead with a higher margin of difference. Me ma ask yourself, adentia abrayato abawia Kennedy Japan ene nkrofo mo aka nyina ye de omo vote ka ho omo nuru Dr. Bawumia na still Kennedy Japan ene nkrofo so omo nti ase. What is wrong with you? And look at this afro uraway. Ajako, you had a very good career as a comedian. You are a successful man in comedy. Who now we are one of the people yesterday when we were young. In concert party. Why? In komo uko nkurasina ukobo comedy. You are a great guy. Who now a lot of people and inspired by you or movie makers, actors, comedians and everything. So we congratulate you for that thing. But Massa said the production sector na to me amwao. Ajako said the fame Ghana for the chair and to me am anso ani. So when to me anyere wo ho amfa the fame Ghana for the ma wanye bibi papa bi ama wo ho Massa, don't bring yourself into this issue. Kennedy Japan and the MPP. Ajako, stay far. Papa we pa Ajako tianto base Ajako nyanto base. Stay very, very far from MPP Kennedy Japan matter. Because who Ajako ankasa utiwe. Wankasa Ajako utiwe. There was a time in the country now we are one of the famous guys in the country. No one was famous than you. Akura na ya won enna akura oboni din Ajako okura onim nipa akura wo ye. Now be a watimi fame among about 28 million people. When you completely fame from a child born today to the oldest man in the society, One to me and fast half fame no, I know who ye and says you home. And then a man yourself na Jacko so dinner home by Jim, a man yourself na Bejina, a bemana, na brabo a name. And I Jacko say, a chiwa dear yen, and then no mumbe to me, I yen when you know, I didn't say a conano, a Jacko, you are not desperate. When you're desperate, you have had all opportunities in the world. MPP as a party has supported you in many ways. Ghana for Ankasa has used their own money to support you by going to your concert and your comedian shows. Mimi ajakoi. Twe ho efiri sa man yosem nsem we akofa babata wo hu. Say na de wo a wa MPP campaign song a producer. One anu adana na meye campaign de ma Dr. Bawumia den. And then they also saying, who your base? Base in a day. Mobo base, ana se mobo treble, ana se mobo, your friend is saying, you can't say kurapo, bass brand, no, you know, machines na use no cry from, saying you will base where your treble or honor what they want. Base in a day. Ajako, base any day. Baby eko shiwiana because me krom base baby shiwi me krom muka say the base baby a boys ye koshia ni aye ho fine na niwa na soko ni enam krom eno no ka hwia ye se yente menim se sa base ni bi na mo ka dia and you are right. But Ajako no kuna dem fatal because we ni papa panina. You're supposed to be a role model to a lot of youth in the country. Until ntimi nye base ni e mane nye ye. Ajako second thing. Withdraw yourself from this thing before it becomes bigger than you. Well, some of you are destroying yourself. Mumu bino mo se mo ho. Mu gu mu ho ani ma se. You are showing your true characters. You are making it become difficult for people to get opportunities as you people had it. Because the munya akwenya no na munya fame na nkwase ade na mode ye. Mo mfa nye na de bia ye nkoso. Base ye ne say. Ha? Base ye ne say. Base no ene ne de wo. What the base is baseless. And you're baseless because the reason why you're there to base and say MPP neighbor ako contest is a person MPP leader. Ya to aba wanwene walusu anything amusumo kote base. One say mo base na you're baseless. Mo base no are you baseless. The more you know, it is actually killing the future of the person that you are saying that is your leader. You are just killing the image of the person that you are calling him your leader. And then the image of Canada, Japan in the MPP has been compromised because of some of your childish things that you guys are doing. And some of the childish conduct amumu binom painful binom MPP for binom mo conduct mo in the party Ama the image of Canada Japan has become something unworthy for the MPP, unhealthy for the MPP, and unacceptable for the MPP. Base mo de kwan. Ehena mo di base ne ko. Say ya na titibrebu no mo ye MPP fo ya. Say ya na mo ye ni brebi a tumi ana ese fata yen ehwere yen e ma ne kodi nkwasiafo bi no mo nsam. And so the same thing. Now wo ye yo amonwi a wo se wo nyo ma no. Why mom na me yo ma wo e ma wo nya sa tumi no. So see ye the tumi ma Dr. Bawumia. He is the potential, or he is the president of the Republic in 2029. Also, one tiasie, and into what the base. And this also one tiasie said, Dr. Bomiabaye president there. And who is going to stand there for you to become the president? Who? Why? Base for Anna. Enkrofona muti wura muhanana. Enkrofona omonshina ade otibonsu wa hwere sika dodo bi a wohu de onye bi ma afa ne timana. Me ankasa me nwa panyine me papa pa akopɛ. Ai, Mr. Otibonsu. Deɛ na ha Otibonsu ene ntia o say na wate the base. Mr. Otibonsu, let me tell you something straight to your head. Tie me yepa. Blackmailing, you can apply it on the MPP this time. So person blackmail the MPP pa. Some person mun use the base na mon find blackmail MPP. It cannot work. It cannot work because enkrofo mudi wachi omoye mu the base, you know. Mr. Otibonsu, they are spending the rest of the money that you have, but they can never help you to achieve the aim that you want to achieve. And yes, sir, and editna amanyuku. Yen tuma fin ewa busuam yen fam prabontre enko hatana wo enipam emomu. Se problem kra wo fia, we solve it at home. We sit down as a mature man. We sit down as people with conscience, with intelligence, human beings, and we find out a solution. We don't go out there to create impression of division, to create an impression, say we are going. And so one my way, one promise we name we are. Ye better ho. Otibosu tell ho. Na one kasa nipa na udi na chino. Mimi ya Monica be mo akwa mama eti say. Enkrofo na omudi wachi no. Enkrofo na omunti wo so wote party na Otibonsu e. Obo ankasa mo constituency kura no. E ka say enkomo ntimi anwene wo ho. Komo ntimi anwene. So who is going to vote for them nationwide? You are just spending the rest of your money for useless and baseless base. Useless and baseless base. Base, you know, and the principle. What is the ideology of the base? I must say, yeah, political party. What is the ideology? MPP bar last 2020 to 2024. One Jessica Maya ni NTSU ye konya kwa kudibiana. Is that the basis of your base? What are the principles? What is the ideology behind the base? What category? What category does the base belong to? Money principle and amunamu the base. What is the base? Mon church you move. Which part do you belong to? Muya left, muya right, muya central right, muya left center, muya wine. Where do you come from? Are you extreme right? Are you extreme left? You don't know nothing about what you're talking about. It will not take us to anywhere. We have a party, a friend MPP, or no now build them on Amamwene, Sabio Mokasa, Edru Babi. MPP never a year in our more kind. And a man people so na mumubino and namu yesika for. Say ye party MPP anka mubinum nka mudin emerge as the way that they are today. Eti Mrs. Remo, the base for I. Se mo kose mo kwa akoshe o de mo nkona mo nkoshe enye problem. Na paasa mo se mo be political party dia. Munya de mo ye. Time has come. I know said there are conversations going on. Conversations are going on. Doctor is trying to unite the party back. But it will be fair, say, the youth, the young ones, as you some $1,500 be. Afamon samu amugusu amuye dedeno. Mube jadi amoye no, because you are also destroying your political future in the country, especially in the MPP. Because the way I'm more hono, you are not worthy. You are not people able to me are trustable in future to bring you back into the party, to work together with the party. Kennedy Nebraska, one when you need the obey waye asaboni obesha wasabi. Atemu di obedi amanfo wadi omwe to me a ope when you to me premier no. 8 years when you to me the aye the ope enya ne ho say tam. Akawo, think about yourself and stop following nonsense. Base in any way. Base, what is the meaning of base? No explanation. Here can say a person property or sikobo base. Marcus Sampa. What's up about there?
His own and my body the offend is the only the base. No, aye. Twice when me share airport. Tell a lawyer, be Johnny the base. I'm saying me Johnny the treble. The treble in the base. Me show how difficult a lawyer power.
So what? Yeah, party papa be a person, papa be a tea, penny pubby to say Dr. Bawumia. I'm an abe bois minor, teach the man, my manner for them to my perfra. Was a joining base. Also be joining treble. Treble no bebo. Yan to as young queen nam crofu crow who yamahi. Namo pa. A year Jumadin way na. Yanko Pamboyana. Yanni papa po bit to our bedi a mine and him amaya mine apoyan and to my perfra. And I'm sorry, I'm not base. Why? 2029 for Dr. Bawumia. Aye. And that be as America. Since I am President Dr. Bawumia, I'm a president. We need a party, a better structure. I bet to me, I hear Jumaden. I'm at the 2 million abayimu. Enti enye Dr. Nkwa. And I know we need strong-minded men to hold some critical positions in the party. General Secretary, no. Na nti uwo General Secretary titire bi. Na dwene ye adwuma yie pa correct. Na oye efficient. Na adwuma oye otimi ye sini pia. Nka obetra o masa nkwase base we yakoso. Ma Mr. K by ma me akwaba. Se uwo General Secretary papa would he sit down for this nonsense to go on? And in the imagine some Kasacho said to Abama Yura Kwabena Kokofu to be your general secretary. Such a man. Onone obi boto nyo obi bottom no den nsasho. Onyes obi afi na washa abrabo ase he wants to move to where he wants to be to, and people will influence him. He is man of his own. Why am paying? Where the ministerial, where CEO pay? He has done a lot of things in his life in politics. Metrahoma yemfa yensa mehwene hwenem because of sikanti. To Abama Kwabena Kokofu. Na omedu general secretary. Said a bayan some fumbi to say we nom enkoso party na obenya nkrofo omumu eduru aso mo kan sema upe obeji atum na ode ye adwuma yentwa so ha na yento aso na yenko yanim kakra na enche ye bibia ba na wie ye
Hence, no, we voted them into power. The cowardice that Christian leaders have been made to and religious leaders have been made to is a shame. And I'm embarrassed with some of our clergymen. As much as we are interested in our titles, in the big titles, and who we are and how long we served, I'm yet to hear certain people speak against these manners. And for me, that is a shame. And so it starts from my home too. It starts from the clergymen. It starts from the religious clerics. It starts from the home of the chief imam. It starts from the chairman of Christian Council. It starts from the apostolic leaders. It starts from apostolic fathers. It also starts from the Catholic, Methodist, Presbyterian, and Anglican. But also beyond that, it starts from the charismatic leaders. We've been too quiet. And as much as we are grumbling, everybody wants to impress certain people. And that is the nonsense for me that must stop.
Yes. I'm saying, you mean na ye Papa Weira or Kasei. Papa Weira, your friend, Lawrence Tetteh. According to sources, say or suffer. Yeah, Crofo Weira, dear man for Husika. Papa we see on your friend is software, or so your software, or when in nine and then punch a good solid demo. Now, as some of the million and they say, you know what worries me a lot? And it's in Crofo, or we would differ. Almost your me are suffer for, but man, me jidu o makumba, say Crofo ye, or we would differ 400%. First of all, and I'm Crofo we so Ghana my move. A man from Fajuma Kura seed or so. Because so qua or soft for back can't you say Branaya Mompaye. Branaya Mompaye. Instead of you to go out there to find job, or soft back say Branaya Mompaye. And Crofo we no mutimika just oh my men a ye ukukumno. San Crofo na dear ya. What actually kills me. And he said, they have been able to enrich themselves just by correcting 1 Ghana cedi, 2 Ghana cedi, 3 Ghana cedi from different poor people. I'm combining it together. Now, a basic to do the amount, no more your money, no money or more, no more man enjoy. And fancy ho. Collection now the more mono, it is not enough. Now look what. A do see a barber to a bar. And Crofo we call as a manual for her. Echo Jessica titro di fra manual for her. Omoko omose. Ose me ma sorry. Ye be a 4 branches. E wo nipa be se 3,000. E wo nipa be se 20,000. Into the mami sika say o the mamia. I will campaign in my church for you. Now, Oman koji sika free, a manual for her. Now, Oman ton, a sorry for no, and their mamma manual for. It's sad. Asemne ya to the point to say, Sa papa wa yo jina hoyi. Enam sika no akwaje afiri jo Mahama honti no. Akufo adobreso. Ose ebredu se wo se Ghana fo ye manyofo enti omo ho ase se ye na edi to me no ma won. So they must do what we are demanding. It is another sign LGBTQ+ bill no. And yes, I no so for kwasiampanyi no obe march akoye yewura nanado then President of the Republic ne nchen e wo Jubilee House. Abusiamfo asemia papa we kan ye. He was not the only software or cancer asem. Asofo for mu cancer ansem ni nyina no, they were all linked to John Mahama's phone and Momo account. And then that we ya yekoto abawie ya John Mahama bedi akonwa yi. And now software we etimi begina bonten kan kire Ghana for say. Tie asem oka.
And I am appealing to politicians not to politicize homosexualism. Because if you don't take care in a bid to try to be politically right, we'll be offending people who love us dearly. And I have a saying that the people who love you, don't hurt them. And so let us think about the welfare of them. Let's also know that the religious even community, and not just the religious community, the traditionalists, the cultural, and our kings and our chiefs are also against it. So let's find a place well in our heart to make sure this bill doesn't become like what it became the last time.
Editing you, and that dear, and then Nayana not the Tekunyaso. Hey, Adudi, what would have money or Quasia for some? And then Yana not the Tekunyaso. Into your software, now cancel a stamp that we must to show politicians that we voted for them. No, and then this hypocritical man, this hypocrite. I be Jabontin can't check Ghana for say, yeah. Obesi say amanyofo. E mo mumfa. E trumu nsem no nya amanyosem. Enye saa. Omobetumi afum gwom nkrofo wodo won papa. So you have all this knowledge. I was saying same free assorted demoni traditionally. But when Anadu was in power, such an evil person sat on his podium and told Ghanaians that he was going to march to the Jubilee House. What do you think is the reason why this man is speaking today this way? Because John Mahama is paying this Asofufono monthly. They are receiving salary without not doing nothing. This is the reason why people were angry with Danado, because Danado will not give state money into your pockets. When I was suffering, Danado is sagan and sikam fam mount, Kenofodia tam fagan and sikam Michelle Sem GD. He would rather prefer it to use it for something more better than your personal interest. But because Danado was a straight guy like that, these guys were afraid and they were angry with him. Because Anado ends the south minus sikan and yeden and farmer. Now listen to the rest of the video.
We wish President John Dramani Mahama well. He's somebody that I will not hide away from. I know him very well. He's my good friend. In fact, you say you don't have his number. I have his number. And I'm not ashamed to say I have his number. He's my big brother. Do you understand? Yeah. Somebody I revered. And sometimes you have a relationship with somebody. I'm praying that God helps him to get the people around him to build him to that capacity where he will come to that place and know that the God of the assemblies of God he serves will protect and support him, definitely, regardless of what his situation is. God, and the same God has been his source of inspiration this many years past till today, will be his hope for the days to come. Lord Dina Mahama, his wife will be protected, his children will be protected, and nothing will happen to him. That thing of that fear that is being placed on our leaders in Africa, this nonsense must stop.
Yes, and Paibaka say na tiagum. Akufo-Addo na time. Adentia. Because Akufo-Addo administration was thinking about the common and the ordinary Ghanaian. Because Akufo-Addo preferred to build 111 hospitals across the country for the ordinary man to have access to health problems than say, Odi sikane bema owusu bempa so nchinkodi. Another bema Lawrence Tetteh so nchinkodi. And for that reason, they hate him. Akufo-Addo and Kenoforiata lead administration and Dr. Bawumia administration who prefer to build STEM schools, create TVET administration blocks. Said the ordinary man, the ordinary family, the lower class level family will also benefit from the government. But anyway, papa we yaba, old tia won come mantri. The tia won they don't do nothing. But I Jimmy Fon kwasia for nto mo ya sofufu we. we are paying them monthly salary for doing no work, all because they help John Mahama to deceive the ordinary poor Ghanaian for power. So what? Next time you will learn something from this. This is the situation that we are facing today in the country. This they are all stomach direction people. They don't care about you, your family, whoever. They don't care. Important is how much they can enrich themselves and how much they can benefit from the state funds. Omaino into buano mobejeno. Eye san to buano. Eno monso omopo omochefa. That is their major problem that they have. I was like, if you don't know, share my money and query unsubscribers and no subscribe now be ras media busi kono. This is their main plan. That they needed a government, a president of Abe Transua, or ye corrupter, or becho mine sikamo modi. Not someone that would think about how he can develop the country to become a beautiful place for all of us. And then, so who? And then, I suffer 40. Hey, God of Almighty. Now, him there, Johanna, John Mahama Bekan said, no dear, when him said the LGBTQ plus is not something that important today. Now, Obekan and Sam George, Sam George say they went there by Sam George Abekasa. Me perceive more Sam George in the video. I want to play Sam George video to you. Bra Sam George na wayere na otiem na oyedede no. Me boss video natural. Sabe na Sam George wayere o. Asembie ni okan no obeto ase. Na wayere den. Sam George ayese tintin. Oh, who do you want to tie Sam George? Tie Sam George.
And forevermore. I want to thank every one of you who have come from far and near to send a message to the Chief Justice, the Judicial Service, and the Attorney General of Ghana. We have presented our petition. The voice of the people is the voice of God. They must listen because sovereignty resides in the people of the Republic, and they exercise that power on our behalf. They must do as we want and as our people demand. We thank all church leaders, all traditional leaders, all imams, all persons of faith, all people irrespective of their political affiliation, of their ethnic background, who have shown up here. Thank you for making a statement. The revolution has started. We will protect the innocence of our children, and we will fight against any influence of LGBTQ, comprehensive sexuality education, or homosexuality in our country. We will not allow for same-sex marriage to be in our country. The will of Parliament, which is the express desire of the people of Ghana, must be respected. On this point, we have just seen
yes, and the way Sam George in opposition. Nano edre pa. Nano edre. So Sam George can you say they would never allow any comprehensive sexual education in Ghana. Tibiye pa. On tiasema ye mechire nema bi wo school ma efa enipa mani mema hwan na ye be ma hwan na ye oba de na enam so ema ye de hu se we ye oba na we oso on tiasema ye nchire benyanto wase na memfa go through what is going on today. Sam George is a hypocrite and a very stupid, arrogant man. John Mahama be dia kunwe na ano ba abontre be kan so no de onim se Ghana saa ne man nye priority nya de bia ne na hu hia ye wo other issues are very very more complicated. Our no feel say who be here say be address those issues and sanampono he be thinking about man to man why no yeah video no near
governance in the country.
Regarding LGBTQ plus issues, it remains a highly emotive and sensitive issue even in the most advanced liberal democracies. I explained during my recent engagement with the World Affairs Council that it's not the most important issue we face as a nation. We're still grappling with the provisions of basic needs of education, healthcare, jobs, food, clothing, and shelter.
Yes, and Tibra Mahama Becca same way. And a man for to che some George say, what did your boss can ye? O boss will say, Modia, Moo, they didn't know we are no, yen who he know. He has some things which are more important than what you, Sam George, you are talking about. Sam George Babontina did some okay.
LGBTQ has been a big deal in Ghana for some time. I've not seen you speak on it. Why have you changed your position on LGBT?
I have not changed my position on LGBTQ. And let's be very clear. I've been very quiet for obvious reasons. I mean, there's been a lot of misinformation that's been put out there, but let's call a spade a spade.
Yes. Oh, Sam George says in a name and I na abusia Sam George can send be or say he will not allow the comprehensive sexual education to be studied in our schools. TBB oha. Papa ye friend MP I think say asin not. Yeah, MP for the MPP. Ede expose be about the person more video na yentie. Say if Sam George is rare or not, because according to Mr. Otim Fojono, and now me no ka say teachers or more children no, or more man or more the children no, a complete explanation of comprehensive sexual education. Enter video way. Now I am for BBNC. Message say bomb like video no comment. Subscribe to my channel. Na become with your corner or YouTube so or Facebook so and TikTok so. Yento aso na yin comment here.
Na asofo imam fo na CSOs kan do mo pede president Akufo-Addo. Kan do mo pede MPP. Etumi po ma president Akufo-Addo ultimately. As if said or mo chen na school. Na yanko print book e kura mu you. Some book you me physical education and health elective. Ni yanko print GS Naka Ministry of Education. I'm buying Nakasa all the way from Jubilee House Ministry of Education Naka Ghana Education Service. Ni yanko tintim sa book.
A book better no.
A physical education and health.
Okay, yeah, a textbook. A teacher's manual.
Teacher manual.
Okay, Ministry of Education.
Yes.
Physical education and health.
When they did schools.
Senior high school.
It's a need be what's the physical education and health. Some woman win ambition actually. Okay. Definition woman and the bachelor. And no, and so that a breast so now throw exams are. So the definition now na be produce. Okay. You be a craft of fun also me answer. What
when you teacher's manual can so can.
In fact, at the time the intercept is expose we. The be show mu say President Mahama and then the Ministry of Education in Naka and the Ghana Education Service and the LGBT akwaku rest.
So many ko hum ka
so me boa. No correct.
Okay.
Now what dey be the man? One kasa me dey me kokan regular say my bomb still in America.
Okay.
Na kind of definition just me answer definition 1 2 any gender identity. Who the kind no?
At the common terms na wa no.
Terms na wa.
Sex, sexuality and
any gender identity.
Okay.
Who we are? Siremu. Chere tiefo. Na say politics ni ya. We NDC ni na wuti. Na say me dey chere oba na say bibia ya okay. So we sofo, we imam, we control your hine. Na wuti na say President Mahama ebe dada o say ono no ba be semrade ayeyere LGBT no atu ase na so ono no mpenso to meet in team sakrata we di koma a teacher for dia kire nkola na wi a Nothing team for you, kasa. Can who say any politics?
Okay, was it sex? The biological and physical characteristics that define humans as female or male. These characteristics are caused by chromosomes, hormone levels, reproductive stroke sexual organs, and other physical traits. It also means the engagement in physical activities or behaviors involving sexual organs and often aiming for sexual pleasure or reproduction. Sexuality, a broad range of concepts, okay, related to sexual feelings, thoughts, attractions, and behaviors toward other people. It includes sexual orientation, sexual behavior, and sexual identity. Then gender identity. It refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience of gender. Gender identity. It refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience of gender, which may or may not correspond with the sex assigned at birth. It can include being male, female, or a blend of both. This concept goes beyond the binary notion of gender, that's male and female, and recognizes the diversity of gender experiences and expressions. It is it refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience. What's it gender identity? You say, "Obet my yoba," and I'll bet my bema. To say the one. Now, so all man now would me.
Just said the
it refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience of gender, which may or may not correspond to the sex assigned at birth. And you say, "Bet I was a bema." Now, see, I will bear man who hold man out nothing. Cassa, you bar. You better I was all your bar. Name Mulu Martin Casse, we a bearma. You better I was all your bar. You better take us in your bar, a champion bearma, and a panel. And a panel, me a bearma, no boys, my dindy, and you real number your bar, and I enjoyed it.
That in Cano, I think, and then you did 2 hours.
That's the gender identity. And yet, Daniel will say, you better we a bearma, and that's where your bar. But we'll hold it all your bar. Which has everything your bar, me a bearma, your bar, me a bearma, anytime you did as you want. It's a luna dahano.
Now, also, to me, by me, no boom.
How can it can include being male, female, or a blend of both. It's in back, which I most of your bar as I say, Bema, about Janaho. Okay, it will be unisex.
And you know, Gordon, so wow, Nana Wafa say, Unia Kuma, school. Now, President Mahama, let me share when him. We copyright 2025. 2025.
Or my baby.
That's President Mahama. Let me show when him comprehensive way at the command near the children. That's we say we are missing into the air cam. Young fire and some pound cordwa.
Etabusha say he would Mahama catch you say Obasa will be fighting against that tumutumu for na me about mobwa. A film pon or chrem kurani ye say barima. He bet me I will show you barima. I will tear dear. Nansono ebia na wu nipa duamuno. Onye barima. Hey Mahama. Me, I'm a Presbyterian Methodist. My faith. Hey, we are bad. I was upon me be a phone last night to Messer say, and then my course on a short. I have to move to somewhere. If you phone last night to na, I was young for some of my friend at the contribution. I be support to me na. What you know about the way can we say either so a ras media GH na. Can say son or young for being can home. Here your botan tima yejina ho. Yes, it will be a near call off kakra. I was young for Momon Paya Mamena, maybe be a yard so your bumpire say channel we best your father into my profile and the old media. Emwa and your problems be my name se Mohua. This time I hear me video sir advert mobium. This is all because my problem can see beginning of this year. My problem and I'm more than bit say my Facebook account yeah my name my Facebook profiles my pages my nina ho now so many access to get in. So na me YouTube we so monetization kakra credit to your light bills your internet bundle no why no so no bam and also ya free me some Ekobe se 3 months in. But as you can see, adwuma we no ye yo a ye de akoma ne ye nyansa ne odo a ye wo ma ye man e na ye de yo. Enye sika bi obi de ma ye because ye sika enka obi anam ye monetize, enka me ye demonetize, enka ma jai de me ye. But I'm still doing it because I love what I do. Enti mesra mo say mon support na adwuma no enko ye nim na ye adwuma no for the love and for the beautifulness of our great party MPP, which is the only party and now no say able to me eden koso aba omaya ye friend Ghana. Enti mesra wa se oba na wa like na wa subscribe ya na wa like pages no ewo YouTube ewo Facebook Ras Media GH and on TikTok Ras Media GH said be able to me assign I build back our base on the media. Enti madam nyina say na me gusua na me twen ko edikai yeah Mami Monica Mami
that is saying
pache you na so
yes wadumo
yeda nyankopon ase
hey auntie your Mahama into betima I try we
on to me Mami on to me David Tetteh
oh maybe I've seen okay oh you know yeah you do yeah like see adia enye nipa ne dia mo force dia man
your friend
won't mind no first asofofo no
yeah
na sofu bia wonya me he says I Anglicans of war so ye Romans of war na ose atare no ase chekoko bi e woni ti so otiasia ba omie ni president da sa sofu no me pen me ne sofu bia ni afamo
okay
sa sofu no
matowase
sa me pen bet ma tewa teske mfa ne mada ne sa sofu ni ko fa ne de ne beto na yi so I refer nsema waka na wiase wahu asakwaku dua mumo kwaku a ebubu awe homa na sabe kai say ye to abawie ye meka say asem ne ayi ya but die nyame di ba omi adru na ye say basa yankopɔ no onye mistake da nyame na ye son no onye mistake da hwede Ghana akoduro na NDC fu edi Mahama atem na MPP fu edi na tem na omo tenchen so edi na tem na mawia me kasanse we nyina wie ne matani akosan George ne bo se asen o so ate nsema Ghana for aka o so ate anu yie no family na omo twen no
yeah
anu yie no family because cast for me resign some don't resign busumi we ya kwanya yedine be fast busumi we no nya binye ya buku ama St. George na me ko the base o said the wood sa ejako ubo bra etra movie mu na hene ne enfie sen wo se aboso senye na akufu adunu ne ba omi apetia ka asase protocol kintobi na MPP for the yefanya omo ubetina party ma tra ha din here aye party wo bra party no woni dio de be ba nne no okogina platform so ba ko na ba fa na to omo gina tum eye niema akese de man eti MPP for eja ko mfanye mo eja ko amfanye mo na onko ni the base all the Canada Japan eti omunko ye re omukwan ye momu tata omunko Na nyamia odi MPP echi no nsanye o. Eni nyamia odi ba omi echi onsanye. Eti obi odo MPP so ye MPP ni and resign da.
Tabi.
Baby amika say MPP kuo na da ho no. Enye nipa e ni be di animu ni MPP no. Eye kuo asunu kese no. Ti say wo do asunu kese na. Won ka say be de ba omi aba enti mi jai. Ana ye de Canada aba mi jai. Asunu nti ene ne chese wo ye MPP ni. Na de atu ye MPP from fan to omo. Omo kwa mbe faso nipa atena se e wo party ni. Ma de man no esi ha rasta. Raden kan.
Yeah, Raden kan so ho. Bye bye.
Hello.
Hello, mama. Mesi you Raden kan so ho.
Hello.
Hello, Pacho Temenka. No. Oh, sorry. Yes, Mami Monica, me say on Temenka bet.
No esi ha rasta.
Okay, that's the parliament kan so ho.
Bye bye.
Yeah, Mami Monica na yete nenka no. Me Mami Esther, me be fa bet, me say me fa wa. Mami mema welcome. Me more welcome we are me connect to say the be ya okasa nipa amanfo bete okasa ne ye. Yes.
Hello, Mr.
Hello, Mami, it's saying.
Yes, what you now
Obia ho ye. Obia ho ye pa. Obia ho ye. Afei me de wo call in the yen can say mischem. Nti bia me kasara wa ntem nkan kura na we are listening to you. Say that man for better sound in a year. Yeah. Yeah. Me da so ase.
Metia watiefo nyina yeda nyankopon adaroma yeda nase se eja wa me ye betwa weekend e de akoyanim nyame hire obi bia na mo nso so amohwe me samafo no nso so mon type esoma no na mon subscribe nso so ye pa mo cho mon like ma no e obi bese se ayi Mahama ba e de ayi ahonhombone na wo Ghana na ebi atiasi MPP for TikTok for ne ayi su nyina wo ayi diaspora so so nti we de yesre mo amadaroma Bisamafo ansa na mekoma semo so no mibusa Lawrence Tetteh say osuro nyame.
Good question.
Anase nyame no obo ni di na ode frɛ asofo nkaye ne sɛ omumra no omume attack na ado no na ye nyame ben na no obo ni di ewiase nyame anase onyame a wo boss so ne asase no wo bo wo no Lawrence Tetteh enemy no na no wo frɛ na na onim sɛ oye nyaatwom onim sɛ oye the most selfish Lawrence Tetteh me yan kasam ba ku bincho mama starting free was say wo party na wo kofa ne baaye no onye hwema Ghana da right from ne power bia ne tumi bia ne na yi bia wonya no de be ye vice president no de be ye president Ghana hasn't benefit anything from him. He rather has benefited from Ghana than we benefited from him. So what did the person me chena Lawrence Tetteh? Woko fa ne ba ye na wo ma asofo nyina ne ansori makutia MPP leadership no. Adia MPP ya wonim say wo travel by Europe and according to what I know a little about you say what na UK krada. Na me person me busa say as we free say as a knowledgeable person no. Leadership is continuously. Woko fa ne ba ye enema MPP ye nyina enka ewrem. Mi busa mi busa sa wo fight ma Ghana for anasa wo fight ma wofu wo fight ma wan kasa wo personality ene awiase hunya dia wo benya na mi busa wo wia asole mana ado mo collection adia asole be wo ado tia no tia Lawrence Tetteh nenso so afedie wa ba politics mu and I will destroy a man for life, will punish a man for life. Can you give me the one reason that I should have a patient for Mahama no me pass LGBTQ. As a knowledge as you are, when you say Lawrence Tetteh, you need facility of hospital be our Ghana. Na omo ye tumu no. So omo ye 190 yare. Wunim sa Lawrence Tetteh so wunim sa. Hospital ba na Mahama e dia mayen it say tumu na wo dia ba Ghana se si omo nya ho kwan. No mutumi kura ba meeting wo ho Independence Square. Onyame yenya fa hudie okronkro bia yenya fa hudie hona obia kokko gina ye welcome Ghana fa hudie wonu say Mahama eba so no hona mu kokko gina ye no mu kisi ye it presents say Mahama has come to power and he has given them a chance to do what they did. So wonu say Lawrence Tetteh, it is telling them that to see an ekwanya bia ma wo because president no mo pano no eno waba na me sanso so abusa wo say oba Adam ye boy oba ene ye boy bema ye hu say if aware ena Adam ne Adam aware. Lawrence Tetteh say if akwa fichira if okwa fichira ensuo bia e won hu bia no Lawrence Tetteh as a monthly session no dirtiness be a one who be a ba out. Oni nukundo oye bibia o ensuo bia ye fun bia ko oba no bia no empanifo amudidi mu fancheme onyame ebe mana ba because okuta ekwan mienu. Lawrence Tetteh tumu na was president na wo fa ne ba wade atom no. Let me ask you a question. Woman ensuo mema ensuo no ko mo e fa hen na eba. You know that you are wicked. You want to kill Ghanaians. You want to destroy innocent children. When you say president na wo pamo no wakofa president na wo so wo pano because Bob appoint you when you juicy brand akwa kose. No when you juicy ama wo ni wabusuafo because we a greedy bastard. When you say sir president na wo no dada no. Sir president no wanji tumu no anye dey antum de tosun susu bie mu susu no wan kan kire obi say on san ade no nti efe ba ne san ye bisaw efe ba ne san nti wo kofa Mahama na wo de ne baaye na Mahama na wo so wo pe no ontumi nsan ade no ye bisaw e kire say eyade a munyina mo plane ye na point si bi kura ko say ye koto aba mo gige ma na mo ngige ntum wonua na point a oye ye kan say Mr. Mafontin ka ko beboa me okuda tabro kwa etumi koduna aka kere o so ontumi vote oni ontumi take decision.
Yeah, of course, yeah. Yeah.
And I'm ko fa ne baaye sese ya nyina ya die ni so na wo tanishe na adu image na wo de Mahama ba ye bisaw Mahama azin go a ball ye catch you say Mahama ball sadane na ntam no onibi ontumi nsan because he's in that game. Lawrence Tetteh, Mahama is in that game, he cannot sign. Na branamen show the reason tia Mahama on to me sign. Now we destroy MPP. But MPP abano also enkola Lawrence Tetteh to see ya in Mahama era ya ye woman. She come dia di Ghana for enkola. She tax a wo Mahama edi belly Ghana. And so Lawrence Tetteh as wise as wo ye. One nyansa say na nado era na COVID wo ho na bibia wo ho ensuo epo plane enkomba se sia de ko fa ne bai bibia akoba o bibia akoba na nado pay teachers for 9 good months to 1 year. Lawrence Tetteh de ko fa ne bai no kone koda dwene papa mi wia na me de dia ka kire ato aso me du jimi bema me catch you say na do de na plane ko airport na straighten ewo ho me koga na COVID time me brain kasa Lawrence Tetteh, Nana do pay every teacher, every nurses, every doctor. Nana do pay them. He didn't starve them. Kwakwa want to so that. And then I'm to me catch them some more man. It doesn't matter how qualification you have. Me and someone who paid no tire wabono. Some of you can be nonsense. Mumubino, yet the more you be and ye will be assay. So I said, the empress me say, what buy you buy, you know? Ah, well, yes, I near my way in Anna Musopoto man buying. What will say, Dr. Mahmoud Baumiana? Most of what we preco were yet dear, were you. What do our boy yet to go reserve? Lawrence Tetteh, listen. Reserve what by folk and cano, what by Jimmy now go find by Lawrence Tetteh. And you good yana that one I did bought a man who bano and warrior tongue. Lawrence Tetteh. So should I applaud you? What's the Mahama time? No fancy bill, no. We Jimmy for papa. A channel woo one a yacha four a yachakan Lawrence Tetteh. I put it to you. Say, Nyansa, your friend Nyansa wouldn't need back cry. And you were fool, and I would yes, propaganda na Mahama de buy. Na me catch her would ne a day. As so can me, I'm someone say. Heaven will judge you. Heaven will put a curse on you, and the land of Ghana will reject you, Lawrence Tetteh, because you have deceived the innocent children. Mahama, ade promo, akwase kalikola mu wo school mu say yemfanchire enkolade na na do ye bi. Lawrence Tetteh mi busaw nipa na wo pam no ama na free leadership no oye bi wanye bi wanfa you get and tunumu ankwase enkolade suam say yenkyerkyere wo mu. That means you are a fool. We are you come out as you can't say a sheep clothing. Meanwhile, you are a radi brofonumla. We are false, so you can't say.
Yes, false, yeah.
So what you say? We are buabia, just a ripataku, a buapataku, yeah. And I wouldn't grind woman at the draw would they buy or the That is the kind of person you are. And I continue saying that heaven will reject you, and the land of Ghana also will reject you. So what you say? Mo bomb paye, mo destroy MPP, adia no mo ye. That restructure mo ye. Emma, I'm up for disappointing anado. And the Dr. Mahmoud Baumiasono. And no namuba muba benefit ye. Nene, America, Israel, and Iran, kwa. Musi yanya mudain. Musi affect Ghana. So one can't say president nani tiko do say a year since say one Ghana for no titi Ghana for Alex at Lawrence Tetteh. Munina mube pay price. Na me ba jako so ejako. When say we the most selfish and greedy bastard. Munne mo kan ni nyina. Mo di the best. Hwe me catch them ne e ka se Nyankopon a me som no. I say, it doesn't matter how tarnish Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia image. He has preserved. Onyamia to tona kwan wa preserve no. Na mitina haka se Nyankopon ni munyam say. Ogusua or preserve Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Me ka obi atie Mr. Mafu obi asese afana bia say obi afa ne kotodwe enko no uncle swan bompaye and for mama or magana. Say you bet me and ya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no ababua. Because ye nim say, you obey ma Ghana for no a sumbo esne bibia. Or to me buana nado, and man to me reserve gold. Edimaye, amen. One was so a frower who say, what but you are my Ghana edias wo abakra to me we are dear. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a ye. Na mi busawa would see me say. What tell me what my Ghana, what tell me what diaspora say? Somebody near president didn't want to me. So please, I urge every one of you, I urge every each of you, some of a bompire, a diama papano. Na a damn one whom na Obakofa dia bagana Solomon Gomoria na mudia bagana onyame wose ni nyina wo enkogupum ewo Yesu Kristo dinimu atafo ne atiefo mumma ye nyina ye no ye man sika ye mfa nkọ baabi wiase japade ye mfa nkọ baabi yebede ni nyina agya ho ne ya den di yakọ so what me dia make kire mu yebede ni nyina emfote ene bedi ye nam Lawrence Tetteh Kosua na bo wa bana baso go wunni single love e de magane ni bia campaign na wo ye ni nyina na ye wafu campaign na wo ye ni nyina na ye wo selfish na wo frame Mahama so me destroy Ghana and God will not watch all of you who bomb ya say Mahama me Ghana japade nyina Lawrence Tetteh Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Obeba MPP will come back and support the innocent Ghanaians. MPP will bounce back. No matter what the only be. Nyami be tria mu nyina moka. Na me catch also wutina so no no mo kwan. As Mr. Mafo said, won no mo kwan ti chimie e bata wakoma ho. Emuwa bisa. Mr. Mafo me da se nyami nhira wo.
Me da onso ase ma nyami nhira wo nso. Me ma me Esther me da se pa a great contribution. But yeah, but Yamen count home over be a whoopia. Aye. And to us, Mimia Anthony, Masawa, Obana won't say make a sa because we are listening to you. Yeah. Yeah, free me, Anthony. I think this is the last call. Mr. Anthony Amoakwaba. Hello.
Hello.
Pacho.
Hello.
Mr. Anthony Mpacho Kasayetio, Untim Cambetio, why, Mr. Wa.
The same as Dr. Crack account, Dr. Degree with account. Mr. Mafo. Napom to say, dear.
Mpacho Yankoparado, Mehoyapa, Mia, Mehoyapa.
Miss Yankupon Shida and Nadon, and a bambo, and a quatenting at the mount.
Amen.
When you buy a while, I'm famous, Miss Channel Power about fire. Madam also said you're back any in answer. Now the Dick said that you may buy, Madam Empire may bomb a bronze number one. Yamen Canaho on to no quanem or money shira or my dome, no man and quatenting, and the way you be answer. And ye, man, I also want to see a Dr. Bawumia. You wounded that. You wounded TV so. Man and Casada. Now, Miss Lena Coupon should not done at the manor. Said also about Boaga or Boagana and another a Boagana and Calasso Munko School, natural. Yacobia, Keba and Queen Impa. Dr. Bawumia, dear. Was what the soul of Beba. Or can't you say? Or bar, one near the papa. Oh, maybe no, but catch them him for. And yet, here for say, me, Dr. Bawumia, me buy, you know, my way, and Timon Trouble, and the old one, dear. Want me, and my bio, my country, more, Ghana for my near knee. Was a solar, me the beba near 50%. No money can hear, and there, Kumasi, doom so, and that's all. Dr. Bawumia smoke no boy, and no crown no can. Was she a dear no? When you my dear no, or fear Yansa, and was school Yansa, and all the count. Dr. Kayano, ya near me, and I'm a cotua bafon, a batan tie, and I'm a demar, or Monesi phone call Uncle Tua. And I'm say a pre talk. Ya Jessica no, and so yan Tuabana, and the money. Coco for. And I go, Mamma, Kohini, come forward. Or say, maybe me go to a cocoa, me papa will cocoa. And so, I found out a lot of carbon and that cocoa. Say, Mewako, you know, maybe a year base one of you, Mamma, a Juma. The Atoso, I said my wound to me wounded that. When in Casada. And so me say, a corner, a Yamenco, another in the kind. Now, so Yammy baby, be a. Can I make us say, Ajako we Jimmy for number 1. Kade MPP for yema wo nyina na wankai wo say wi na abakọ no dia the base Ajako uni munya samba kokora na first na me po asempa Ajako na me po asempa and so once ma we they say they wo yen say wo yen kana Japan wakasa wo gina ho I want me kan bibia na wo Ajako na wo be gina ho ka chen say we were the base and I say Dr. Bomi abone ben waye the Ghana form penny say what they are beba say the brochire ibia no ayeye no aye tax obi abetua kakra no na mo se mo mpe enti mo se doctor wo ye pepeni o ye slemuni enti mo mpe se oba bibia wo bia o pakeka akra na wa mfansi ya ni ama muta bebu akatem se meboa ona bo
enokrepa
so ta senti die omo yere nyina doctor ne hotel nyina ne se obi ni ema nyina bebre afri ho no ana omo mpe businessman for no so muntua tax omo ne ma fa port a omo ntua na omo ye afamu free no ene ti omo so mo ye nti omo se doctor o ye pepeni ye twa ne ho a broni ene bibini ye twa ne ho a moja ba ko na eba moja ye ni fita ene ni kokko anti do baomia etani nyina ye se digital no de ba no ene omo mpe enu nti no mo ye ne saa o anye bibia na do mama de won ka no kre ba kokora nkotopo ni bie ni ho che papa we sei hwe na Ghana fo na nkasa na sebi na meka si ni munyasa pa de a ohene a yaworo na mpaboa e saa de ne ba bio do mama we o ka no kre obi o e kontompo ni on ka no kre hwe se do pade a e wo Ghana na wo so odi amani nuanam ana wo odi ade amawo do mama we ni papa obi a won ka no kre do mama o ka no kre o ye kontompo ni a on ka no kre o ye kromfo na mo ka se MPP for ka se Jubilee House wo ni bibia ka ha won kofa na bibia en famre no na wa agenda no wo ye agenda no ana wa ye ana se bibia wo ye bia no o de ma ni nua nanado ade e bona nanado ye nanado so wo hwe enyanka enwisia obi oni bie obi anko school no ko atro enku akenkai o do mama o jimi fo we do mama wo che wono o papa ya ke mota na wo na papa aye say obetua school fees nti odo ko e de say Islam go na ko school na nya free education ye papa ye na nanom ana mo ekodua koko ana ye de hwe ho ko hwini do mama uni minyansa ka papa anko yu flat mota ado ko Islam Damascus na ko school Laka si ejimi ana. Yenyimi yo. Na wo koko akuafo ya bre aswa koko ate. Na wo de wo se koko akuafo no ntua moka. Ontua moka. Eje ntia ontua moka. Koko akuafo no ale ntia ontua moka. O papa wado koko da. O do mama papa, o nana. Obi atoko ado koko da. Uye kopini, uye kromfo. Obo man. Said the wrong se beye ye. Jig asante fuojo padye nyina fri wono ana afaso de ba. Oyire mama ayi de say. Oyire. Oko you and o take abro fokra na ketre mabutu. Okasa odi kra do mama no tun body ebo odi kire. Okasa yadimi oho. Ye no be kopa mo hu se John mama ofisi o nim nyansa che obi na da ane krono ana wobo na da ana ane krono na wobo o ka se kwase afo ho ukuro mo de na wo na ye empese e ka bibi etia ema Dr. Baomia ehu ebe fin ukrom anya mmoa ane mponche ane nwai ane nipa no musuo kwasi ampani wudo mama wo di na safa na okuta o ka so ni munya sache Ghana fo ana o ka so ni munya sache asante fo atemfo ebonofo hwe ye ni abre o e se broche etie no ye bre pa se wuji bosume so ni twa oka 1000 euro kuta wa within short you know what is kana amana san umfa to hwe ko supermarket na ko di Ghana ko hwe 100 euro to de awo jimi fo no yere ne oma akora ketwa we se wo ba wo ye adwuma da do mama wo ba wo ye adwuma da Umia Ibrahim na na kufu ado painting ena no wo ye painting ena no wo ye no he na ntwie ne nwa aso hwe ye ne abre o ye ntena ho na kodua wo tena ho na so se wo baba bia ye mfa ho da wo kodua ayi amuka ase mo ye online a wo ye na business bebre na wo ye kodua yem pene obi abatu aba ma kodua na se MPP akọ hwe ye ni abre o do ma pa wo so unu munyasa ate Ghana fo ana koko ana sei ana kwa na be kasa ye no ana ye sei do mama wo ye jimi fo pa me na me ka kire o ne also your president who ni munya saba kokora adwen papa ni utiri adwen boni ne kuta wo labre eba ki adwen akira wo
me na asimiya
president who ni munya saba kokora wako yes ya kom say emfa wo award na ma wo ka ni munya san ka ba ka be sen wadwene ade na na do ba ye ankwana nkekeke didi na ba do atem no and what who krana ana bawomia or stupid who need chance na stupid your mama mama ana stupid o papa na stupid and bawomia your mama you stupid number 1
me dase
anya bawomia na stupid gani abro
bebre kwa aja
Can you prepare? I saw me coming. I said, yeah, before part of the custom. Don't mama, we are stupid. Una are stupid. And then another is stupid. Never bow me as stupid. We are stupid. Who do you answer? Had the gun on Pala. And then, technically, don't did the back of it. Another time, no. Don't did them 3 times a day.
yeah 3 meal
Maybe I catch them, Ras.
and okrepa
Wasempa, I said, make me work at then Palani, another town, on the Baumia, nobody comes 3 times a day. Now, Obama, what if you look at your say, a Ghana did my school for no, come out, and nobody do one. Okama would do 1 time. Okama man advance 3 times a day. What's at the couple of time, I'm going to put down a night. Your mama, oh, you're stupid. Your mama, oh, you're stupid. What do you answer? Oh, no, you didn't know a bush of 40 million. Oh, you're stupid. I never will. I don't know.
Miriam, Mammy Fancy, why? Hello.
What about Mammy coming to the mama? Or castle, the answer to our Ghana. And I saw work of before. I saw work of before, not Jimmy Fono. I call you this car, on that place. I do a music, the place come up. Ghana can another buyer, go between that young Panama. Panama, yeah, bro.
Maybe they quite.
Yapre, once who break, and they make us people follow. Almost no answer. Almost so bad, not there. On my year, almost case, they could that work, no one be at the wash it. What can I hear myself say when Yamanica, with Yamanica? You know why they kept that low. And you. This says I'm a child. Oba one for me, so we be child.
Oh, Ochiao pa, Oba Odi can chiao grandson on Casa. Ebi a one I want. Ochiao pa, me away. Oshela chiao.
You are going to do a Panama and only escape. Any appear, any idea more, you know. Yes, let's say that should be an say papa, or was so much name, no more. Not the old be a crown, so one now. If Medina Moyana entry.
Amen.
I can't speak my car.
Medasi bebre mi ya. Obi aso joso. Area Anthony, Mr. Anthony, Tony May Enterprise, Cantamantulem 5, Ope, leather, papa pa, leather, original leather pa from Italy, great one pa na, enwa any Tony May Enterprise, ewo Cantamanto. Yento asuna yenko yenim na yenhwe what is going on. Yento asuna yenko yenim. Abusiamfo me se Brenoko kakra, Brenoko. Ti de mobesi hana da foforo ya sign aba as usual. Na minim say de tie bia ochina Saturday way. I will make sure say me to me aye quality show pa kama pa ma bibia akoye na yatumi adi ho nkomo. Na ase kese ne nchia kese de mami wi Fisherman. Teru kwa apia me mama Monica, me mama Esther, Kwabena Kuma Richard, and a mimi was say Anthony. Nana Akwia Afro, Papa be Afro Michel Yepena Emmanuel Ade. Chacha Munina, Eda Munina se, and Emobre. Said the Tibia and Copo Yaduma, Ochina, Ebesign Asia, or a higher Ras Media GH on YouTube and on Facebook and on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, find me on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Akra Munina, until we meet again. Adios.